Best financial from big-time celebrities. Must watch. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the best financial from big-time celebrities. Must watch. Let's get right into it. Diddy. Sean Diddy Combs' net worth is approaching $1 billion, putting him far beyond the status of musician. In exchange for a cut of the profits, the hip-hop star partnered with the liquor behemoth Diageo, offering his marketing muscle for its Ciroc vodka. He quickly helped it grow into one of the largest vodka brands on the market before moving on to another joint venture, the De Leon tequila brand. These are in addition to his numerous other businesses, which include a clothing line and a significant stake in the Revolt TV network. Ellen DeGeneres. With their frequently eccentric tastes, celebrities don't always play the real estate game to their advantage. The current queen of daytime television is a notable exception. Ellen DeGeneres has become one of Hollywood's most well-known house flippers, even if she didn't see it that way. She told the New York Times of her prolific real estate habit with wife Portia de Rossi, with whom she's renovated a number of homes. "I've never bought to sell. I always say, this is it. I'm never moving. People laugh at me now." She's owned and sold 12 properties of various sizes and styles since becoming famous, and she's made a lot of money in the process. She made a $15 million profit on a $40 million mansion flip. And this is when she isn't one of the busiest people on television. George Clooney. It's difficult to keep up with all of the celebrity-branded liquors on the market these days. Some of their famous founders are undoubtedly envious of George Clooney. Casamigos began as a tequila for his friends, but it quickly grew in popularity, and Diageo recently purchased it for around $1 billion. Clooney told CNBC, "If you asked us 4 years ago if we had a billion-dollar company, I don't think we would have said yes. Well, at least he's modest about it." Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba, a mother of 2 young daughters, founded The Honest Company in 2012 to sell organic products such as baby wipes, laundry detergent, and body lotion to ethically conscious consumers. It has had legal and public relations issues, but it has also grown to hundreds of millions of dollars in annual sales, proving she was into something big. Ashton Kutcher. Most people still remember Ashton Kutcher as the guy from That 70s Show, but he's made a name for himself in the tech industry in recent years. He and Madonna's longtime manager, Guy Oseary, formed A-Grade Investments after forming an unlikely alliance with billionaire Ron Burkle. With the wise backing of Silicon Valley darlings such as Uber and Airbnb, they turned $30 million into $250 million. Nas. Nasir Jones has long ceded the rap throne to other younger artists, but the musician has also quietly become a tech powerhouse. His venture capital firm, Queensbridge Venture Partners, named after his hometown of Queens, has invested in companies ranging from healthcare to music production. Lyft, Dropbox, and the digital currency exchange Coinbase are among the companies on its roster. Robert De Niro. Celebrities frequent vanity restaurants, but it is uncommon for one to become a genuine hit. De Niro's name is not on Nobu, but chef Nobu Matsuhisa credits the actor with convincing him to start a Japanese restaurant empire. De Niro was a fan of one of Matsuhisa's early restaurants and later became a partner in the Nobu restaurant chain, which is now thriving around the world. He wisely recognized the lucrative potential of the chef's signature miso black cod, among other dishes. Jessica Simpson. Jessica Simpson, the pop singer, will be remembered for her more naughty moments on the hit reality show Newlyweds, but her moves in retail have been extremely astute. She debuted the Jessica Simpson collection in 2006 as a footwear collaboration with the Camuto Group, but it has since expanded to include clothing, jewelry, handbags, and other accessories. With billions in sales, Sequential Brands Group purchased a majority stake in the brand for an undisclosed sum. Jay-Z. Jay-Z will be the first to tell you that he is a businessman, not a businessman. Sean Carter's business career has been successful, and he now has a net worth of more than $1 billion. This is due to his diverse investments in everything from his streaming service Tidal, which is worth more than 10 times what he paid for it, to his Armand de Brignac Champagne and Roc Nation talent agency. Kevin Durant's $51 million contract with the Golden State Warriors was recently negotiated by the latter. Not bad for a rapper who grew up in Brooklyn's Marcy Projects, surrounded by drugs. Reese Witherspoon. Reese Witherspoon has broken into 2 very different industries, apparently not content being a beloved Oscar-winning actress. She self-funded her production company Pacific Standard for several years, which went on to release several successful films such as Wild and Gone Girl. In addition, Witherspoon served as an executive producer on the hit HBO show Big Little Lies, in which she stars. Pacific Standard focuses on female-driven content with the mission of making meaningful change in Hollywood while also making money, which it does quite well. She also has her own clothing line, Draper James, which competes with Tory Burch and is growing. 50 Cent. 50 Cent's reign as a radio-dominant artist may be over, but his vast business portfolio isn't. He agreed to promote vitamin water in exchange for a stake in parent company Energy Brands, among other deals ranging from clothing to video games. When Coca-Cola purchased Energy in 2007, 50 Cent received a cool $100 million. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.